Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with two essentials: a charged phone and your current passcode ready, because the system will verify you. Once done, go straight to Settings, then Security or Biometrics. This is where fingerprint control lives. Make sure to remove any gloves and clean the sensor area so scans register clearly. Tap Fingerprint or Manage Biometrics and follow prompts to add or modify a fingerprint. You're now in the correct menu to create a single fingerprint-only lock. You'll enroll your fingerprint by repeatedly touching the sensor as prompted. Vary angles and pressure so the system records full ridges. Once the fingerprint is added, set it as the primary unlock method in biometric settings, but retain your passcode as a fallback until you confirm reliability. Next, go through security options and turn off facial recognition, PIN unlock alternatives, trusted devices, and smart lock features. Doing this forces the device to accept. Now test. Lock the phone and unlock it 5 times, using slightly different placements so you confirm reliability. Once confident, set lock timeout to immediate and you can rely on fingerprint-only access. However, keep your passcode for a short period in case of sensor failure. If you hit persistent failures, try cleaning the sensor, remove obstructive screen protectors, or re-enroll the fingerprint with more angles. If problems remain, delete and re-add the fingerprint or contact support for hardware checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.